Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cream juice updated. Combine fresh fruit, cream, sugar, and ice in a blender and blend until smooth. I'll walk you through choosing fruit, adjusting sweetness, and fixing common texture problems in an easy, friendly way. You'll learn simple swaps for dairy, tips for froth, and how to control thickness so your cream juice is silky and perfectly balanced every time. Start by gathering fresh fruit, heavy cream, or a dairy alternative, sugar, and ice. Chop fruit into bite-sized pieces so it blends evenly and freeze a few pieces for extra chill. Taste and adjust sugar before adding too much cream, since cream softens sweetness. I'll suggest ratios and easy swaps for dairy-free versions, plus how to make a thicker shake or a lighter drink depending on your preference. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes cooking more fun by playing your favorite playlist hands-free while you blend, and its compact size fits right on a kitchen counter. It's a handy little helper for timers, recipes, and mood music. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by pulsing fruit and sweetener to break it down, then add cream and ice and blend on high until silky. If it's too thick, add a splash of milk or cold water. Too thin, add a few frozen fruit pieces. Taste and tweak sweetness or acidity with a squeeze of lemon. I'll share a quick cleanup tip and storage advice so you can prepare ahead without losing texture or flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.